Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide panel views in Keynote on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Keynote app and select the presentation you want to work on. When you are editing a slide, you will notice a panel on the side of the bottom of the screen. This panel shows options like format, copy, paste, animate, and arrange. To hide panel, simply tap anywhere outside the panel on the slide area. This will make the panel disappear and give you a full view of your slide. If you want to hide multiple panels at once, tap the down button at the top of the panel or swipe the panel off the screen depending on its position. To bring back the panel, tap the plus button or the same icon you used to open it originally. Hiding panel is useful when you want to focus on your slide without distraction or need more specific to damage arrange objects. And that's it. Now you know how to hide panels and show panels in Keynote on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.